All right, here we are, another skill builder for you. We're in phase 5. We're going to talk about the Earth and the Sun. So make sure you turn your reading notes for section 7 in your packet that you have. This one's titled Section 7, Earth and the Sun. So why is North America in sunlight only half of the time? When North America faces the sun, it is daytime there. When North America is turned away from the sun, it is night there. This is caused by Earth's rotation, and that just means that it's spinning around. When it rotates, it's spinning. So we're on a planet that is spinning. So how long does it take the Earth to complete one rotation? So if we started at one point and ended at the same point, how long would it take the Earth to spin around? That would be 24 hours. So that would be a full day that we have. 24 hours makes up one full day. So then besides rotation, how else does the Earth move? So besides it's just spinning on itself, the Earth moves around the sun in a nearly circular path called an orbit. So while we're spinning, we're moving around the sun in an orbit. One complete trip around the sun is called a revolution, okay? So then how long does it take the Earth to complete one revolution? It's 365 and a quarter days, which is an Earth year. So that means on your birthday, you're in the same spot in the Earth's revolution around the sun. Throughout the year, do the sun's rays shine equally on the northern and southern hemispheres? And remember, those are the halves of the Earth, north of the equator and south of the equator. This is actually caused by the tilt in the Earth's axis. So the Earth isn't spinning on the South Pole. It's actually tilted a little bit on what's called the Earth's axis. You can think of it like there's a pole going through the top of the Earth down to the bottom, and it's slightly tilted. On what date do the sun's rays shine straight down on the Tropic of Cancer? So we've looked at these different parallels of latitude, one of those being the Tropic of Cancer. So when does the sun's rays hit directly on the Tropic of Cancer? That would be on June 21 or 22, and this marks the first day of summer for us here in Michigan. What season begins in the northern hemisphere on June 21 or 22? And I think I already gave that one away. So we're talking about summer, because the northern hemisphere is tilted then toward the sun, and that's why we have the nicest weather during the summer. What season begins in the southern hemisphere on June 21 or 22? That would be winter, because the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. So on the other side of the Earth, on the bottom of the Earth, they're experiencing winter while we're experiencing summer. So what causes seasons to occur? Throughout the year, some parts of the Earth receive more sunlight than others. When the pole is tilted toward the sun, the northern hemisphere receives more sunlight than the southern. It is summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. So it's all about how much sunlight that they're getting. As Earth revolves halfway around the sun, the southern hemisphere receives more sunlight than the northern. It is summer in the southern hemisphere and winter in the northern. So if you take a look at it, you see the Earth's axis is the line that goes through diagonally on the globe. You see the different lines of latitude, the Tropic of Cancer, the equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn. And you notice that the degrees ultimately have changed a little bit. So what you want to do is read section 7, get more familiar with this, look at those pictures more carefully, and you'll hopefully understand how the seasons work and the way that the Earth moves around the sun.